Let me say something most traders never hear. The difference between a losing trader and a profitable trader, it's not the strategies that they trade, it's how they think. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how professional traders actually think, how they approach the market differently, and why most retail traders stay stuck in the same cycle for years. And if you can shift this one thing, your mindset and your decision process, everything else will start to fall into place. Most traders come into the market thinking like this: how much can I make today? What's the hottest stock doing right now? What's the big move going to be? That's amateur thinking. Professional traders think completely different. They wake up asking, where's the best opportunity? What's the risk on this trade? What's my plan? And here's a concept we emphasize in MarketPro Trading, and it's heavily influenced by how other prop firms train their traders. Your job is not solely to make money. Your job is to execute well and find the best opportunities. Money is a byproduct of good execution. Let that sink in. Because most traders are obsessed with their P&L. That's profit and loss. They judge every trade by whether it made money or not. Professionals don't do that. They judge every trade by one thing. Did I follow my process? Think about it like this. You can take a bad trade and make money, and you can take a great trade and lose money. So if you're only focused on outcomes, you're training yourself the wrong way. Professional traders are process-driven. They know that if they execute well over and over again, the profits will take care of themselves. That's the edge that they have. Now let's go deeper. Professional traders, they think in probabilities, not certainties. They're not trying to be perfect. They're trying to put themselves in positions where they have an edge. And that means accepting losses as part of the game, not getting emotional over one trade, and understanding that no setup works 100% of the time. And if you feel like you need to be right on every trade, that's exactly what's holding you back. Instead of saying to yourself, this trade has to work, you should say, this trade has a good probability and I'm managing my risk accordingly. You accept the risk. That shift alone will change your entire trading career. Another big difference. Professionals are obsessed with preparation. Retail traders chase. Professionals prepare. Before the market even opens, they already know what stocks they're watching, what levels really matter, what setups they're looking for. They're not figuring it out in real time. They've already done the work. And at MarketPro Trading, we call this your daily game plan. Because when the market opens, it's too late to start thinking and preparing. You should already know what you're looking for. If you're making decisions on the fly, you're already behind. Now let's talk about discipline. This is where most traders fall apart. Professionals, they follow rules. Not sometimes, not when they feel like it, every single time. They don't move their stop losses because they feel like it. They don't chase trades because they're afraid of missing out. They don't revenge trade after a loss. They execute their plan to perfection. And here's the part that most people don't want to hear. Discipline is more important than intelligence in trading. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You need to be the most consistent. Another key shift. Professionals, they think long term. Retail traders think all in on one trade. They get emotional over one win or one loss. Professionals, they zoom out. They do the opposite. They think in weeks, months, and hundreds of trades. They understand one trade doesn't matter. One day doesn't matter. What matters is consistency over time. Their edge will prevail. And this is exactly how we train our traders inside MarketPro Trading. We're not trying to help you win one trade. We're building you into someone who can win over time. So let's bring all this together. This is the real psychology of trading. People say psychology is the most important part. This is the part that most traders never get. If you want to think like a professional trader, you need to focus on execution, not today's profit or losses. Think in probabilities, not certainty. Prepare before the market opens. Follow your rules with discipline. And think long term, not trade to trade. You do that, and you'll separate yourself from 90% of the traders immediately. So here's the real question. Are you still thinking like a retail trader, or are you ready to start thinking like a professional? Because if you're serious about making that shift, That's exactly what we build inside MarketPro Trading. It's not about hype. It's not about chasing trades. This is about building a real skill, real discipline, and a real system. So here's what I want you to do next. Go over to marketprotrading.com. Start learning how to build a professional mindset. Start approaching the market the right way. Because the traders who win, they just don't trade differently. They think differently. I hope this video hit home for you. If it did, hit subscribe for more real trading content I deliver weekly. Drop an MPT in the comments if you're ready to level up your trading, and I'll send you a Getting Started Blueprint for free. That's MPT in the comments. I'm Kevin Lloyd. Let's get to work, and I'll see you in the next video.